Hi, guys. Today, I want to talk to you guys about why I thought about doing videos about investing and where am I coming from with this. I'm going to give you this history and give you a little bit of what to look up to in my upcoming videos and how you can really follow everything that I do so that you can have a better life, a better future, and make money and possibly be very successful, obviously, and be happy, because an ultimate goal is being happy and help other people. So the reason why I started talking about investment, it was because I'm an entrepreneur. I own businesses, and I realized, oh well, before I talk about that, let me say, from 2017, I've been advising people about businesses, entrepreneurs, and prospective entrepreneurs on how they can start businesses and looking at business models and what they need to fix in their businesses. I would sort of come in and analyze your business and tell you exactly what to do and what not to do in your business. So that's what I've been doing over the years, right? Since 2017. And then it hit me so hard to see how many businesses are still failing, after that intervention and many other interventions in the world. Considering the fact that there's so much information out there, they are what you call incubators. Government is also injecting in businesses. There are so many people who are creating content for entrepreneurs, but still they are failing, and that means there's something wrong in the system. There's something that is not happening. And I really looked into this and I found out that it's financial education. They're not really good with finances once they start running businesses. Even if someone can, get a contract of R1 million, but down the line, over maybe 2 3 years, they won't have that money. They won't even know how to, sustain that money and make more money out of that money. And I looked into this and I saw that, what, out of all these things that make businesses fail, the aspect that I'm going to pull in now, it's the investment. Hence, now you see me talking more about investing and investing. I haven't digressed from entrepreneurship topics. Now I'm bringing in entrepreneurship topics in synchronizing it with investing and how investment can actually help you in your business, and how financial education or financial literacy is so important for you to keep going in your business, right? So I hope you're following along. So what am I talking about now in an investment? What are the topics that I will be talking about, and what is it that I'm looking at that you need to do in your business? So number one, I'm looking at trying to help entrepreneurs to create multiple streams of income, because not all the time you will get clients or customers that will be paying. So you gotta find other ways, other means to get money in your business, so that you can live, so that the business can survive, so that you can pay salaries, so that even yourself as an entrepreneur, you can, be able to live, to pay your own expenses. So I thought, okay, let me talk about this, because I don't think entrepreneurs understand it. They don't understand that it's not really about always getting sales, about getting sales. Obviously, business is about making sales. If you're not making sales, that means your business is not very important. That's not what people want. So it is about sales. But it's not the only thing that the business should be focusing on. You should be focusing on getting big contracts, long-term contracts. You should be focusing on investment. You should be focusing on getting assets that will inject money back to the business. You should look into other things that will generate money, that will bring, that you will pour back to the business. And that's what I've seen, that they focus so much, time and energy on just getting clients, and when they don't, they are out of business. And by the way, they don't even know how to attract clients. Yesterday, I made a video about sales, how to make sales. Many entrepreneurs, including their employees, they don't know how to get sales. They don't even know how to market their products and services. So you are in a business, you are good, you have this brilliant product, but you don't know how to get it out there. You have a service, but you don't know how to sell that service to people. You don't even know about leads. You don't even know about, looking at the metrics, looking at the data, the analysis of your social media platforms. You don't even know your niche. You don't even know your target market, how to get them, how position yourself in the right place so that you get these people. You don't even know about networking, how important it is in the business space to know how to network. You are not even a good leader. So can you see how many problems that businesses have? So the reason why I'm explaining this, the reason why I made this video, I wanted to make it clear to you guys why I have now ventured into investing. I've been investing for a very long time, but I just thought, okay, maybe I'm going to do this as a personal thing. But I was like, yo, I think businesses are failing, and this is one thing that I think could like help them in their businesses. So I was like, okay, let me bring in this content. And I saw that people are loving it. On Instagram and TikTok, it's booming. Like right now, one of the videos I made last week, it's on 500,000. So it means there's something good about these videos. So I will keep on doing it while talking about entrepreneurship in it. So that's where I'm going. That's my position, and this is the channel. This is what you can expect from this channel, right? So I hope you understand this. So another thing that I sort of saw that I need to talk about is because many black people are struggling. They're in poverty. They are working their 9 to 5 job, and after that, they don't have anything else that they are doing. And they live check by check, and by the end of the month, they have debts already that are waiting for that money that is coming. So in the middle of the month, they have nothing. They don't even have money for transport, even for food, even for emergencies. So I was like, no, man, I need to talk about this topic. I need to talk about this topic. So that's what you need to stay tuned and find out in this platform. That's what I'm going to be talking about, obviously with entrepreneurship in it. So that's are the things that I'm going to be talking about. Now, what are the type of investments that I'll be talking about? I'll be talking about shares or stocks. I'll be talking about real estate. I'll be talking about assets, buying assets that will generate money back into the business. That doesn't need much of admin. Things that you can just lend out to people and then it generates money. You don't have to really, pay so much attention or effort so that you don't get your mind off the actual business, but it just runs itself and then it brings back money. I'm going to be talking about all those assets, and I'm going to be talking about savings, the interest. I'm going to be talking about the retirement plan. I'm going to be talking about emergency plan, why it's so important, even in the business, to have all these type of investments in your business. It is very, very important. It's crucial. My personal interest that I'll be sharing with you guys, number one, it's agriculture. Number two, it's technology, particularly artificial intelligence, Internet of Things. That's where the future is going. 5G, I'll be talking more about that. Even within my company, I'm trying to look into the systems or software that I'm developing that will be assisting African entrepreneurs to advance their businesses through these technologies. So I'm coming up with some software there. I'm also interested in the academy, creating an academy, to improve people's technical skills. I don't know if you guys know this, but people in the rurals and townships, they don't even know how to navigate social media. They don't even know about Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and all of that, and how it can assist them in their businesses. They don't know all of these things. So someone has to do something. Universities are there, but university it's difficult to come in. There are colleges there, but it's difficult to come in. There are so many other ventures that are out there, but it's not accessing the very people that needs this information. So something has to be done there. So those are my interests. I'm just giving them for free to you guys. You can even start these businesses, by the way. So I will be linking these two things, which is entrepreneurship and financial literacy or financial education, investing for your business and for yourself if you are an employee. And then what are the future things that I will be talking about? How to start a business, how to sustain a business, what are the things that you need to put in place in terms of culture, in terms of a business model, in terms of technical skills, in terms of personal development in your business. It's very crucial. The financial literacy that comes in there, the networking skill. How do you, spot the person or the people that you need to attract? How do you profile your prospective client? How do you make sure that the person that you are talking to is the right person? What are the things that you look for in your prospective clients? How do you market? What are the things that you need to put in place for you to do marketing? The quality content, the website, the email, all of these things, they are lacking in black businesses or small businesses. So I'm talking about this, and I will be still talking about it, and I think it's very, very crucial that I still talk about these things. So I'll be doing that. I will talk about invest in stock and property and cryptocurrencies. I think crypto, everyone is talking about it. I think it is the way. If you look at how it's growing and how government and all these institutions can sustain, or contain or control what is happening within the crypto environment, you can tell that it is the future. It's coming with blockchain. Is part of fourth industrial revolution. So that's the new currency. So I'm immersed in it, and I'll be teaching people more about this venture. I'll be talking about side hustles. Yes, we have a business. Yes, the business might not be necessarily bringing in money like now. Yes, I've spoken about investment. Investment is a long-term thing. Now you think about side hustles. What are the side hustles that I'll be talking about? Obviously not limited to this, but I'll be talking about affiliate marketing. You just need to register with a certain company that you are interested in yourself, which I think yourself you need to know about their product or service. Don't just market anything that you don't even use yourself. That's number one. Affiliate marketing, you need to know it. I think even if you're an entrepreneur, with your extra time outside of your business, you need to think about that. Number two, you need to think about lecturing English if you're good in English. I think many countries, they are now, venturing into this. They are trying to learn English. Many Asian countries and other European countries, they now want to learn more. They want to learn English, basically. So you need to look into that. If you have good English, please look into it. Logo design, website, creating signatures for people's in their emails, creating posters for people. If you know how to do that, that's a side hustle. You can just get someone to do that. Design t-shirts, you have to do that. If you have the skill, you can learn it online on YouTube, and it's very easy. You can learn Photoshop and then teach other people to use Photoshop as an academy, or you can actually do things for people through Photoshop. You can be a virtual assistant, help people and be their admin online. You don't even have to be there. You can just arrange their records, help them to remind them about things and all of that. Those are the things that you need to do. You need to take surveys online. There are so many surveys and which are paying. Just look into that. That's a side hustle. You can just sit down for 30 minutes, 20 minutes, answer those questions, and then they send you money. Of course, you need to do your research, make sure that it is a legit website, it's a legit business or side hustle. And then there's drop shipping. Online businesses are now booming. If you look at how Amazon has grown and they've made billions. If you look at Alibaba, even here in South Africa, if you look at Takealot, these companies are booming now. If you look at the Uber Eats app, it's doing so well because now people don't want to go out. They buy food at home. If you look at the Checkers app. People are now buying grocery while at home. They don't even have to go there. So those are the things that you need to look at. So drop shipping is the thing. Alibaba has made things so easy for you guys. You now talk directly with the suppliers or the manufacturers, and you can just talk to them. They send you the sample. If you like it, then you buy in bulk. It is so easy now to make a business, and that you can make it a side hustle. There is nothing wrong with having 5, 7, 10 streams of income. What I'm completely against is someone who has one stream of income. It's either your business and you think you can prosper with your business, and if it doesn't, you have nothing. If you have a 9 to 5 job, you have that job, and if your company fires you or whatever happens in your business or in your company, you don't have money. Or even if you are working and that money is not even enough to sustain you, you have kids, maybe you have your own expenses, you want to do your own things, you want to go out with your friends, you want to go on vacations, you want all these great things, you want to be happy in life. Remember, we are here to be happy. We are here in this world to make our life better and help other people. So if you can't do these things with either your job or your business, then you really need to think about these things that I'm talking about. Investment, side hustle, very critical. So I just thought, let me not talk about the business itself, let me not talk about investment itself, let me just talk about my idea about what I'm trying to do with this channel, this YouTube channel, and how I am going to help you to be a better person in your business, in your investments, in your side hustle, in everything that you are doing, in your finances. So I hope you will follow this, everything that I do actually. Yeah, please do subscribe in this channel. I really like your subscriptions. They are really encouraging me to keep going. That's the only thing I basically need from you. I don't even sell these things. I give you free information. I do research myself. Most of these things I do them myself. I personally do these things in my spare time. So I'm giving them for free to you. So just give me that like, that subscribe, and then I'll be more than happy. So let's hop along, guys. Get in this train, and we will be successful in life. We will be successful, and it won't be even funny. I don't want black people to be poor anymore. My goodness, I want to help them. I want to help them with the information that is readily available, but they just don't help themselves with, or bother themselves rather, to reach out and search for this information. So I'm just making things easier for you guys. I research and I give you the information. I do stuff and I give you the feedback. That's how it's gonna be now, because I don't want you to be to be unhappy. I don't want you to be poor. I don't want you guys to stress, to be depressed and kill yourself, or kill yourself about things that you can really avoid. I'm here for you guys. Thank you. This is MSN Msizi Simon Ndlovu. Thank you. Bye.